Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was a remarkable leader and social reformer who dedicated his life to fighting for the rights of the oppressed and marginalized communities in India. He was born on April 14, 1891 in the town of Mahou in the central provinces, now Madhya Pradesh, to a family belonging to the Mahar caste, which was considered one of the untouchable castes in India at that time. Despite facing discrimination and hardship throughout his life, Ambedkar was determined to overcome the obstacles and achieve his goals. He received a scholarship to study at Columbia University in the United States, where he earned a PhD in economics. He also studied law and became the first Indian to earn a doctorate in law from the University of London. Throughout his career, Ambedkar fought tirelessly for the rights of the oppressed castes and other marginalized groups in India. He was a key figure in the Indian independence movement and played a crucial role in drafting the Indian Constitution, which is still in use today. One of Ambedkar's most important contributions was his role in the abolition of the caste system in India. He believed that the caste system was a form of social oppression that needed to be eradicated in order for India to become a truly democratic and egalitarian society. He worked to promote the rights of the untouchable caste and other marginalized communities and was instrumental in the passage of laws that outlawed discrimination based on caste or religion. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was also a champion of women's rights and worked to promote gender equality in India. He believed that women should have the same opportunities and rights as men and worked to promote women's education and empowerment. Despite his many achievements, Ambedkar faced significant opposition and discrimination throughout his life. He was often criticized and ostracized by members of the upper caste who view his efforts to promote social justice and equality as a threat to their own power and privilege. Despite these challenges, Ambedkar remained committed to his ideals and continued to fight for the rights of the oppressed and marginalized until his death in 1956. His legacy lives on today as his ideas and teachings continue to inspire social reformers and activists around the world. In conclusion, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was a true visionary and social reformer who dedicated his life to fighting for the rights of the oppressed and marginalized communities in India. His legacy continues to inspire us today as we strive to create a more just and equitable society for all. We should salute this great leader and remember his work.